Yeah, man, Wagwan, welcome forward to the channel, man. You don't know, say Queenie and Dewey get back together and I go and enjoy themselves, you see it. You don't know them that they here just a shop and Queenie go live, you see it. You don't know RT, him a move like him a jealous man, like him and Queenie in or something, man. You don't know, say him relationship a spoil already, and him not take time out for go work on it, him a work on somebody else thing for water down them thing. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see it, for future upload. You don't know, but me not like how RT asked them, me not internalize them, me not know the reason why I'm ask her, you see it. Yeah, man, and just down glad for you get a youth can bust out a pack and travel all the globe and them thing there, you see it. Him just want to do it thing just done for this, so you see it. But me not think RT when a good friend for Queen in the first place, you see it. Yeah, man, me expect something like this, you see me. RT a Obeah man, no, so you don't know Obeah man don't really do nothing good still, no. No matter what them say them a do, or something bad them a do, you see me. So we just forward and go hear what go on and see what go on, yeah, man.
RT, madam, is my own bigger man and I have my own feelings and my own expression. I don't like when people tell me how to express myself, RT. If I never say to you, not talk to me about it, or I'm going to leave something off the internet when I just say, you think it's nice to wake up and come to them, smash out your car, and for making people start from my feelings to hide it? But what is wrong with you, RT? I'm not telling nobody, you know, baby. I don't do nobody nothing, you know, my love for husband. Have them for kill me for love, let them kill me for love, RT. I am not going to zip my mouth because I'm not afraid of nobody. Yeah? It's I understand where you come from, but the fact that, you know, negative mood and why you just, you know, deal with it private rather than... Negative is it from long time, not just no RT. So I'm going to get up now because I'm afraid of negativity. I can't stop negativity, right. RT. I have one question before. Them come back, I can't back off. You know, RT. Well, I have one question before me go. Huh? I have one question before me go. You see, last week, made it on your live, and we were having a live and we were talking about nervous. We call a live the nervous. In that live then, yeah. May I say, with nervous, are you going back to start in the morning? Yeah. That morning when we come out here and start and you say, RT, we can't take with you and then we reading something and put excitement there. When we were talking about it that morning, you were saying everything was in an eye here, but you just never said nothing to me that mirror except I'm Spring Live, you know. So I want to clarify that. The nervous morning when all of us say we're nervous, and from them time the big things are going. Yeah, him call me. Just on a one half on the phone, I put on my hand. So when you say you're nervous, you already reach out to me. But I just disclose it. But, you know, the funny part about it is look on the morning when they create one bag of excitement and a talk about if you go back and very, nervous. Nah, go back. Yeah. I nah, go back because the man, I don't mean to do it. I don't mean to say it wasn't my call to come back. Let me clarify. It was his call for him to come back. Me hear some people that say some things, and everybody have legal rights to talk when they want to talk. And let me no, they don't have legal rights because I'm legally married to my husband. So they can't pass them place. They don't have legal rights. But go on. I do not work in the witchcraft for Queenie with no do it. If I'm me alone, he would have never come back. And I'm not here to talk about him. I'm talking about Queenie. So just making it clear so we could understand, say, we need to get it. If I'm me alone, he would have never come back. So if you see other things that me work witchcraft, come on, look at that something that not in the game. That not in it. Just dash the part out there. Alright? So just nobody think about that. Me and Queenie was just natural friend as you hear everybody talk. But Queenie, but as I say, you know, people more express myself, but you see me, I don't really want to say much, but and Queenie feel offended because when me talk Queenie, I go feel best. So if you got to talk for my feel best, I better talk better, man. Then I ask you a question. If you have a friend and you say you're my friend. I never look at you, never look at you. So you're not supposed to have no problem with you with my relationship. But no. This is what you're going to make me mash up because you're going to make my relationship. You're probably not going to be a friend. Listen to me before you judge me. But don't talk, brother. Don't talk. Listen to me say, listen to me. You may your friendship not have to mash up, darling, because me have mash it up for that. But we're not talking about that. We're not talking. Well, I know. Listen. We're not. Listen. I respect you. Listen to me. I respect you. I want you to respect the fact that I respect you. I don't care about you and my husband. You see, my sister, you and my husband, it's a cause clash between me. Because I go back with my husband, RT. I'm going to choose wisely. No, but you're not having to choose. All right, this is that. Let me have a conversation. Wait, you are my friend, RT. So there shouldn't be a problem with me and my husband. So I rather, if I respectfully being friend, me I choose wisely when me have to become in a one, may you get out of an RT more. You know, so me your friend, I'm not dump you because my husband is my husband and my friend is my friend. Me can't talk now? Yeah. This friendship built on your husband wasn't there and not standing beside you, knowing that the fact that your husband is here, you notice you get one tick, my block and delete myself. I'm only here to tell you and your fans them. Me love the same way and I'm no problem with you as a friend, but I'm not here to interact in this one bag of clown thing because I'm not agree with it. So me just start my mind there. But I cannot tell you what to do. Let me finish your message and then you start. No, let me finish your message. But I cannot tell you what to do with your life, and I'm not in no position to tell you what to do with your life. I have to just sit and watch everybody else work it out, just like I work it out. So we just have to watch. But since I am in the spotlight, I voice my opinion and brawling and going. Me not take my money, give nobody, but take mine, nobody will. Me no like your time. RT, I don't want no more of your money. Remember the promise like, to buy battery before do come back. The RT, for my. I remember you give me your money, I walk for my money. Money RT. So RT, keep the rest of the money come. Don't get so married. I don't want to know Canada with you and me. When one door closed, many more open RT. You can't just come in my life 3 months. I'm coming up on this land and rain all long RT. When you feel like I save my money, my daughter dead left money give me RT. I'm rich in a spirit, I'm rich in a money. You can't blackmail me with money RT. It's never materialistic. What do you mean by you're not giving your money? Don't mind me. Me don't work for you to promote just like you never mind me. Artist, keep your black money and go look for money and see your money. And don't pass it before you not agree and you're not giving your money. Anything I have for me and my husband. I willing to suck salt to ignorant queen. None of blood can blackmail. Where? My husband, RT, keep your money. You're richer than me, RT. Keep your money, but you're not giving money for my RT. So just have a talk. All right, people, just have a talk. Come promote your song. So you ask me a question, I'm advising my opinion. So why I can't say I didn't tell you so you know where you're taxes. So what you mean by you're not take up your money and give me? Nobody don't say anything disrespectful or say anything, but you know, you advise my opinion and tell you where you come from and you advise where you are coming from. My opinion and exactly. Feel like tell you say, you new moon with your money where you come in just wait in December. When last you give me a check, RT? When last you send money to me? Can I finish it with me? Can you send me $1, RT? The reason why I say that, Queenie, from your left Jamaica, you send me $1. No, come here. So I work, RT. Don't do that, RT. All right, tell me if you talk. You can't do that. You don't send $1 to me cash up RT. So what are you saying? Are you my RT? Me, I'm my own boss. I'm my own boss. I'm my own RT. Nobody can blackmail me. Me the bougie bitch. All right, you notice me a conversation on the same level of how it was before. Me not get over you. RT, me not get disrespectful. Me not get blasted. Me stay on the same level. You notice? No, because I try to show you nothing change in the conversation. Nothing change that. Nothing hold on. Listen, no, you asked me. Queenie, let me talk to you. You asked me my opinion. Me say you are talk back. So me say when I say me not disrespect nobody, but me have to say my part. It might sound a little bit harsh, but me understand say my part. I'm not Canada with you. Me no want to no booking with you since as you feel like say you can use your booking than your monitor for monitor. Me nobody can. So how we reach this? All right. So Queenie, you are saying things that make sense like we are arguing. You call me up here and you ask me something and me attack. Why you make it seem like me come here? Why you not come? Me can't come to what me not come to. We are talking. What do you mean by that, RT? That's what you hear me out. What did you hear me out? No before you start job and don't get ignorant because your husband come out, because I don't want you feel like you use your ignorance and your husband come I don't want to come out for you. I hold my composure. I choose my words them carefully. I talk to you. When I diss your husband, I start class, I say things. When I reach this, so I am saying to you, say, I come up here and everybody want to hear my view. I say, all right, I say what me for saying that line. The respond. Okay, we say what we say. You're not going to come up here and say what you want to say. So that's the only problem.
For work within December. You don't think it's cheap if you tell me as an independent woman this day, say, you know, work with me, give me none of your money because.
So how you say, I never said that. You come by Canada. Hold on, man, you talk too fast, man.
Work, so when you
come by Canada?
Well, if my people out there will pay me for work.
So you come with Canada a while ago? You come with Canada? I didn't put you on that.
No, but I come with Canada. Then the party now you sponsor me for Canada.
But I never mentioned nothing about Canada.
I'm going back to my husband. Artie, me not coming to Canada.
Yeah, but I did not say anything about Canada. I'm not keeping anything in Canada, darling.
What?
I did not say anything about Canada a while ago, and I'm not keeping anything in Canada. You are booked for a show in Canada. That has nothing to do with me. If you don't want to go, that's fine.
I want to pass on a placement. This one about listen. You're not saying about Canada. Idea, wait.
All right, which place you pass to get to that district?
When last you give my money, wait.
Which place?
Why you think I ask you when last you give my money? Because
the only thing we say now,
nobody no money. I
the only thing we say now, take your hand my money give you. You take mine your waste man. That's all me say. Me couldn't say bad thing. I'm one thing. Me not say no.
Yeah, waste man. I am waste man. I call my husband waste man.
No, but me one word. Me say Queenie a one thing. I don't know that your cost. Me not say no.
Auntie, me not sell my soul. Me a different woman.
I know you make it.
Everybody to do it right now.
All right, me know that.
So why are you trying to force me to be what I am not, Artie? I am who I am. I tell me I'm a liar. If I lose everything, I'm going to lose it, Artie.
So I'm saying to you. All right, one at a time. One at a time.
Come on, Canada.
One at a time. People
come just come in here and husband now. Me and my rebuild, but now I'm come to Canada with you. Me I do forget Canada with Artie. Me I change my mind.
You see, you're talking. You see, Queenie, you're talking something. You
never know when I come and say. You never know when you come to me. I'm saying, Artie, if you're going to say something for me, you just don't say it.
But you
want a friendship. You don't want a friendship. You want the excitement on the internet. You don't want a friendship from me. Remember me one, you know, Artie. I said, Artie, I am choosing very wisely because you're my friend.
It's not like you want to choose. Come at me. You want to me because I want thing me say you just never. This is how me you always talk.
But you're not giving me no money, Artie. You're paying me for my career.
I'm going to give you the upper hand, so I'm not understand why you get so extra in the cussing.
I am a waste man, Artie. No matter how much money I be a waste man, because of the speech where you make a loan, Artie.
All right.
Don't get full on the money, Artie.
Let me say this. Let me say this to the people. Let me decide if we want to go further. People, the reason why I say this is let me say this. I don't want to come up here. I don't want to come up here. Let me just say what I'm saying now, Queenie, make it up like, yeah, make it look like this, you know. And I'm not this, you know. Me just attack or me that address my story and you fire back. And you are addressing your husband topic. So me just say what me say, so why you going to Canada and go everywhere? You still have to talk about me when you reach Canada.
Just to love somebody. Look how much people are fighting me. I'm in a love them. I want my artists to leave me the fuck alone. Me don't want none of the money to come suck me. Me don't want nothing from them, man. Leave me alone. Me don't mind me hungry. Me don't want to leave me.
Oh, you reach out in Canada, Father?
Nobody. Me don't want nobody this thing. Come back to me.
Calm down.
Leave me. I don't want to do no business. I don't want you come over. You come. You humiliate me. Like my auntie. Leave me. I want my wife with you, my auntie.
And you see when we get I say, what people, I want to record, I want to say, you know, I'm good at them word, I will never say, I'm not be my real self, I don't want none of you let me try not even to be my real self, I take my time and I say nothing bad and Queen me to get myself something bad.
Auntie, you said something about your own auntie. You're not going to come up here, come insult. I'm going to insult your wife. Auntie, you know what you're doing? I'm going to diss up your blood clot wife. Understand yourself.
Don't secret for me now.
You want to control me. When I say you want to people them place. Archie, leave me alone.
You know what? I'm not going to say nothing because I understand you badly and him not.
Come over here, come class my husband. Archie,
let me stay by you.
Anytime you say for my husband, I got this your wife. I know what you want. Do not come over here, Archie. Don't mess up me and your friendship for getting involved with Dewey and Fem. You and Dewey go back, got trace. Don't come from here, come trouble my husband, Archie. It's rude. Last week, you tell me.
You don't argue with the people. So why you don't tell the people? Why don't you deny the topic and tell people?
Hey, leave me, you know.
Queenie, calm down now. I could have a conversation so me can hear you and the people can hear you. Calm down now. Calm down. If I did come up here,
tell you don't talk about my husband, don't.
Let me tell you, because you're not, you know, if you hear me out, you will see where I come from. I want you to hear me.
I don't see my blind. I don't want to see.
I come up here.
Archie.
You never expect, you know, Queenie, you and the fans would never expect me to come up here and say me a friend and I say what me say. Me say my one point. Okay, me ya argue right. You don't like me, they are disrespect.
I'm alone with my husband.
When I'm not Queenie, you show your husband here what me say and you watch me and you over angle with things. So that means me not diss nobody. Me just attack. My little view as how me see it in the whole show thing. So